How to add the TV widget to the home screen on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then from the home screen, touch and hold. Next, tap on the Edit button. Now from the pop-up, tap on Add Widget. Then in the widget list, we scroll down. Then tap on TV. In here, you can choose a small size widget, a medium size, or a large size. So select a widget size. Then we go down and tap on Add Widget. Now before we do that, let's have a look at the small description here. It says keep watching where you left off or see what's on next. So tap on Add Widget and then tap on Done. Now if you touch and hold on the widget, you can resize the widget in here. So we got a small size. We can set it to a larger size, and that will take up almost half of the screen space. So if you want, you can tap on that to open up TV or enable Apple TV. So I tap on continued and then tap on continued and say allow. So we choose allow. Here, if you don't have Apple TV Plus, you can sign up. Initially, it will give you 3 months free. After that, you will have to pay your monthly subscription fee. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.